to Chetan Singh first, because the manner in which the BMC has acted seems to suggest that this is just petty political vendetta. Kangana Ranaut said a whole host of things which clearly didn't go down well with Uddhav Thackeray and Shiv Sena supporters, and therefore, violating what the courts have said, the BMC goes in today, Chetan Singh, and demolishes Kangana Ranaut's residence. This is a very unfair thing to do.
See, like, if you're going to talk about unfair, we need to understand that it is illegal construction and they have given the notice. One. Second, look at the language, the unfair part I'm coming up now. Look at the language by Kangana Ranaut, the actor. I think she is reading a script and she has acted well. Imagine the kind of a deplorable language she has used.
Okay, so we'll come to language in just a moment. Now, one second. You're saying that this is illegal. If the construction was illegal, it's been so for a while. It's not as if she built this overnight. So far, you didn't have a problem. She goes and attacks the government you support, and therefore the BMC goes out and acts in what's a clear demonstration of vendetta.
See, this is deplorable. You know why this vendetta stuff is coming up, and if this vendetta is going to continue, it's going to be really very sad for the democracy. This is what I agree. But the same given point of time, what is happening is a matter of serious affair. You look at the multiple times this particular government, the Mahaghadi government, the three parties who have come together and formed a democratic government in Maharashtra is an example, and they are running it successfully. The kind of series of attack has been done on this.
None of this explains. One second. You're not answering my question.
See,
if the notice went out, if the notice was given out yesterday, and there's a bar on any demolition till the 20th of September, which is applicable on the BMC, how is it okay for the BMC to make it seem as if in the middle of this battle against the coronavirus, the most important thing is to tear down Kangana Ranaut's office?
No, you have to see, there are various examples. I don't want to take examples of, the gangster Dubey and all, and so many other people, whose house has been demolished without any notices and variety of other aspects.
No, Vikas, one second. Vikas Dubey was a gangster. Are you saying Kangana Ranaut is a gangster? Is that the case that you're making?
I'm not saying that.
One second.
You asked me.
Vikas, no, one second. That's the point you made. You made the point that Vikas Dubey's house was demolished without a notice. He is a gangster, a convicted gangster.
Illegal house. See, that's an illegal house and that's an illegal property. So any illegal construction, any alleged stuff is there. So therefore,
No. Why didn't you do it 2 weeks ago? One second. Why didn't you do it much earlier? This is making no sense. China NC wants to come in and respond to what you're saying. She's calling this a stupid argument. Go on, China.
Rahul, this is such a stupid argument. This is nothing but vendetta politics. You agree with her, you disagree with her, you can debate with her, you can slam her with words which are not deplorable like what the Shiv Sena has chosen to use. They not only use abusive language, they said that they will break her jawline. They dared her to come back. And then look at the timing of this BMC demolition. Now, there are many other illegal structures in Mumbai. Why hasn't the BMC gone on a rampage on this particular day? They have only targeted Kangana. I'm not saying for 1 minute if there is illegality, yes, it should be demolished, but with due process of law. You can't just do this at your beck and call to threaten somebody. And you have a stalwart like Sharad Pawar who has gone on record saying that he does not agree with the way the BMC has dealt with Kangana's demolition. And being a part of the Mahavikas Aghadi, this shows you who is actually playing politics.